someone about this. Again, he's on the stream, Anthony. This is what I mean by the weekly candle. So basically, every week a candle forms. Nothing crazy there. Now, if we just go to Sunday, the market obviously opens on Sunday. Now, if I just kind of play price on, well, you're seeing the candle on the right of price action. It's moving as the week forms. So let me just slow it down a little bit. This is basically Monday and then going into Tuesday. So what you'll see is, obviously Mondays was bullish. This is the weekly candle, right? Because obviously Monday is the first day of the week. Monday will represent the week so far, if that makes sense. Tuesday will often continue the momentum from Monday. And you might be asking, how do you know how do you know where to trade from? How do you know when it's going to reverse? That's what I'm going to be going through. Now, there's something very, very powerful I want every trader to understand. It is the weekly opening price. Now, this is the weekly opening price. I call it WOP. Right? It's one of my favorite things in trading. Now, the reason for that is because the best short trades you'll take, now this is something you have to take my word from because you haven't done sort of the back testing or the homework that I give people, but you just have to take my word for it. The best short setups will come above the weekly opening price. Now, that doesn't mean you can't long above the weekly opening price. It's just that the best shorts will come above the weekly opening price. And the way you want to understand this, everyone, the way you want to understand this is simply by thinking of the weekly opening price as a magnet. Right? That's one way I like to think of it. The weekly opening price is a magnet, meaning the further you are away from the weekly opening price, the stronger the magnetic force will be. Another thing is, when price is at the weekly opening price, you don't want to trade. Not at the weekly opening price, no. You want to be trading away from the weekly opening price towards the weekly opening price. Now, another way to understand this is, it's just the way a candle forms. A candle will open, it will move down, and it will move up. Now, it's important to understand that if the candle opened here, so this here is the open. It could be I usually use this on the weekly or sometimes the daily, but I'm going to stick to the weekly for this video. If this is the open, right, the high of that current week is going to be here. Now, logically, if this is the high, you want to be shorting away from the high. You want to be shorting away from the high. Now, this sounds logical.